Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll explore the map tools in Matidor to help you get started. First up, click a project to activate the drawing tool. It lets you add custom shapes and notes directly on your map. The drawings are only visible while inside the selected project. Each project can have their own unique set of drawings. Next, the measurement tool helps you measure distances or areas. Just pick your measurement type, click on the map to start, and double-click to finish. Want to select multiple items? Use the lasso tool to draw around projects or drawings. Then edit or export as needed. You can also change how your map looks with base maps and toggle map layers on or off for different views. Zoom in or out easily with the zoom buttons or mouse wheel. And find any location fast using the map search tool. That's it. Explore these tools on your own map and see how they make your projects clearer and easier to manage. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.